Announcements. It's basically a way to send out a note attached to a card. So down here we see what an announcement will look like to a recipient. This is a real life example of Jess, our VP of People Ops, sending out a newsletter. She attached a note here, and then there's this I read it button that I have to click as the recipient. And so that contributes to the metrics that you can kind of see here. And basically it's a really nice way for people who need to know that people are reading the important information that they're sending out and need to hold them accountable. Announcements offer that ability because it requires the end user to click that I read it button, and you get all the metrics of who opened the card and who viewed the card and who clicked the I read it button. And you can track those read rates over time to ensure that people are consuming the important updates that you're sending out. But really, what you want to be careful of is when you're using announcements that you're kind of meeting a sort of baseline criteria because they're so noisy. Because an announcement will noisy in a good way, right? If you want people to read this information, an announcement is going to be hard to miss because it's going to land on their homepage. It's going to land on any custom page that they have access to. It's going to be at the top of the Guru extension. They're going to get notified in Slack or email or Teams, wherever their notifications are set up. So ask yourself when you're considering, should I send an announcement? Ask yourself, do I need to know that people read this information and be able to hold them accountable? That's question one. Question two, is there maybe a high urgency or a high cost associated with missing the card's information? So maybe there's like a brand new sort of like refund policy that's coming out, and you need to let your support team know about that brand new refund policy before you lose a bunch of money from refunding things incorrectly. That would be an example of a high cost. When you're sending an announcement, make sure that you're sending it at the right time. You can use the schedule send feature when you there's a little drop down arrow next to the send announcement button that allows you to pick and choose any time, any day of the week, so that you're hitting people at the right time, at the right moment. If you come to your Guru page and you go to your tasks and you come to your announcements folder and you go to the ones that you've sent, if you come all the way over to the right and hover over the announcement, if you click this little bell here, that's going to send a reminder to everyone that hasn't read the announcement. So Guru will actually automatically do that the first time. So 3 days after the announcement is sent, we'll automatically send a reminder to anybody that hasn't read it. But after that 3 days, you can come in here and send additional reminders if you'd like. You can see the announcement is going to be on any page that I have access to, homepage, wherever I'm clicking around. It's right at the top of Guru, no matter what page I'm on in the web app. And then if I open up the extension, it's right up at the top as well. So highly visible, really can't miss. And just make sure that you're using it in all the right ways.